Well, recent breaking news coming in at this hour. The Supreme Court is all set to hear the CBI's plea against Sengar's bail tomorrow. This, of course, is in context of the Unnao rape case. Meanwhile, the Unnao survivor has said that she is hopeful of justice and has further slammed the CBI. Now, she said in our court that she has faith in the Supreme Court and that it will give me justice. I'm raising voice for every woman, and had the CBI done this before, I would have gone justice. Important information we're tracking at this hour, as the Supreme Court is all set to hear the CBI's plea against Kuldeep Singh Sengar's bail plea tomorrow. Meanwhile, the Unnao survivor has said that she is hopeful of justice. Let's also listen in to what she had to say.
न्याय की मेरी यही मांग है कि मुझे सुप्रीम कोर्ट पे भरोसा है कि मुझे न्याय देगा, और मैं अपने साथ में हर बहन बेटियों की आवाज़ उठा रही हूँ ताकि हर बहन बेटियों को हमारे से न्याय मिले।
मैम, एसएलपी भी सीबीआई द्वारा डाली गई है सुप्रीम कोर्ट में, क्या कुछ आप देख रहे हैं? सीबीआई जिस तरीके से रुख कर रही है इस केस में, जिस तरीके से रुख कर रही है, एसएलपी डाली,
अगर ये चीज़ पहले करती तो मुझे न्याय मिलता, उनकी बेल खारिज होती, ताकि हमारे साथ उन्होंने गलत किया, रेप किया, उसके बाद मेरे पिता को मार दिया, परिवार की सुरक्षा हटा दी, पैरोकारों की गवाहों की सुरक्षा हटा दी, जो मेरे केस में खास इम्पोर्टेंट जमानत ले रखा है, उनको खतरा बना हुआ है हर तरीके से। मेरे बच्चे हैं, मेरे हस्बैंड की जॉब छूट गई है, नौकरी से निकाल दिया गया, मेरे बच्चे असुरक्षित घर में पड़े हैं, क्योंकि खतरा बढ़ाकर उनको दबाना होगा तो मेरे बच्चे उठा लेंगे।
Well, on this, you have my colleague Shreya joining us on the broadcast. Shreya, walk us through the latest information that you're getting at this hour. Colleague Shreya joining us on the broadcast. Shreya, walk us through the details. What exactly is the latest that you're tracking?
I'm reporting from Jantar Mantar, and here you can see heartbreaking visuals of women protesters who have come here to stand in solidarity with the Unnao rape survivor. I'm also joined by her mother at this point. Aunty, कल सुप्रीम कोर्ट आपका सुनवाई करने वाले हैं, आपको क्या लगता है?
हमको सुप्रीम कोर्ट पर भरोसा है, हमको सरकार पर भरोसा है, और सुप्रीम कोर्ट पर भरोसा है, हमको सारी न्यायालय पर भरोसा, दो जजों पर भरोसा नहीं है, दो जज हाई कोर्ट के दो जजों पर भरोसा नहीं है।
So as you're hearing from the aged mother of the Unnao rape survivor, she believes in the Supreme Court. She believes the Supreme Court will reverse the High Court decision of suspending the life imprisonment of former BJP MLA Kuldeep Singh Sengar. Here you are seeing the visuals of women protesters who have come here in large numbers. Ma'am, आपका डिमांड क्या है?
लिए बीजेपी का एक गुंडा विधायक ने भेजिन, पता नहीं कितने गुंडे हमको मारिन, धक्काबाजी की, हमको मारने आया था, गोला फेंकने आया था, पर ये लोगों ने बचा लिया।
She's trying to say how she has been manhandled every time she has tried to protest in the national capital for the last couple of days. Here you can see the Unnao rape survivor herself. She's drained at this point. She's overwhelmed with grief and rage at the same time.
भगा रहे थे, इनको भगा रहे थे, हम लोग आए हैं, हमें मैसेज मिला, तो मैं महिला कांग्रेस की अध्यक्ष हूँ, मैं आई इनके साथ, इनको भगा रही थी यहाँ से। गलत है, फांसी होनी चाहिए, बिल्कुल फांसी होनी चाहिए। हम जस्ट पूरा विश्वास है सुप्रीम कोर्ट, हाई कोर्ट में नहीं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में विश्वास है कि इसको फांसी होनी चाहिए। जो ऐसे गुंडों को अगर आज़ादी से देंगे तो कैसे? नहीं, ऐसे आज़ादी, ये आज़ादी नहीं, हमें आज़ादी चाहिए। महिलाओं की 50-60% आबादी है देश में, अगर महिलाओं के साथ इस तरीके से होने लगा, ये ठीक नहीं है। महिलाओं को न्याय मिलना चाहिए। बेटी के हम साथ बैठे हैं, उनकी मदर साथ में बैठी है, इनके साथ बैठे रहेंगे जब तक उसको फांसी नहीं होगी, हम इनके साथ।
So their demands is very clear and simple. They want swift justice. They want a complete suspension of this bail order, and they have faith and hope in the Supreme Court that they will that the Supreme Court will reverse the Delhi High Court judgment. Remember that the Unnao rape survivor has been fighting for justice for the last 8 years, and we're talking about Kuldeep Singh Sengar, who has been involved in the gang rape case of this girl who was a minor back then, and now she's in her mid-20s. She lost her father while fighting for justice. She lost 2 of her relatives, and her husband has also lost his job, and she's scared, she's distressed about the safety security of her family at this point in time. And here, as you can see, several women, irrespective of their age, student political groups who have also come here in large numbers. They are standing in solidarity with the Unnao rape survivor, and their demand is, as you hear from them, it's very simple. That is zero tolerance for rapists, and they will not be allowed to be out in the streets. They are raising alarms about victim security in our country and also giving bail in serious crimes, as in the case of Kuldeep Singh Sengar. Back to you.
Here, Kuldeep Singh Sengar, despite his sentence being suspended in the rape case, was obviously also tried for, of course, the custodial death case for which he's been convicted. Walk us through the details, if I'm understanding this correctly. Earlier, the activist also was, had
आपका गैर कानूनी हो गया, लेकिन जो रेपिस्ट है उसको उसकी सजा बर्खास्त कर दिया कि वो कानूनी है. उनको अपनी 2 मिनट लगा दो.
Right, Shreya, what I was asking you is that, there is apprehension from the activist side also, which, they've gone on to say that, Kuldeep Singh Sengar is currently serving a sentence for the custodial death case. And they were, of course, fearing that, he might apply for bail in that case as well.
Properly. Well, at this point in time, we understand that it is a Delhi High Court's decision on 23rd December that brought the Unnao rape survivor along with her mother back in the streets. And for the last couple of days here at NDTV, we have been showing how they are being pushed back and forth every time they're trying to protest. And today they have gotten this space along with other women who are standing in solidarity with them. And their only demand is that the bail order should be suspended of Kuldeep Singh Sengar. And they believe that he's a man who has a deep political, he's a deeply notorious man with extreme political influence, and he can figure his way out for the second case as well, which is the 2019 custodial killing of the Unnao rape survivor's father. And that is why they are scared, and that is why they are here protesting. We will try and get more voices of the protesters here. मैम, आप इधर आए हो प्रोटेस्ट करने, आपको क्या लगता है कुलदीप सिंह सेंगर को बेल मिलना चाहिए?
तो ये भी पूछने की बात है, बेल मिलना चाहिए? आप ही बताओ, बेल मिलना चाहिए, ये कोई पूछने की बात है? जो इतने बड़े केस में जो कन्विक्टेड है उसको बेल मिल दे दिया जा रहा है. ही हैज बीन कन्विक्टेड. ये नहीं है कि बस वो लगा हुआ है उनको. दिल्ली कोर्ट किस हिसाब से उनको देते हैं?
That is a big question, that how can a convict
जो है जस्टिस सिस्टम इज अंडर प्रेशर फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट. कैसे जस्टिस सिस्टम चल रहा है? अब एक छोटा सा इंसिडेंट देख लीजिए. जस्टिस गवाई के ऊपर असॉल्ट हुआ एंड द गवर्नमेंट हैड नथिंग टू से. हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर तो हर मसले पे बोलते रहते हैं.
These kind of decisions, it makes us question the judiciary. You're a young person who have come here in this protest alongside other young protesters here. Please tell us how important it is to, mobilize people and stand in solidarity with this girl who has been fighting for justice for the last 8 years.
When the police system fails you, when the judicial system fails you, you have no other option but to take to the streets. If our elected representatives are so useless that they are standing here right now giving solidarity to Kuldeep Singh Sengar, then it is our moral right and constitution given right that we take to the streets and we take the rights that is owed to us.
How hopeful are you about the Supreme Court hearing tomorrow? Do you think the judgment will be reversed, the Delhi High Court judgment?
I mean, one has to cling to hope regarding this, and that is the saddest fact about what we are facing, because right now justice is based on hope, not justice. What has happened right now is a travesty to any kind of judicial system that we imagine, is a travesty to any kind of human conscience that we have, and that is why we have to cling to hope. That is all we have.
It is beyond the legal semantics. It is also about the heartbreaking, cost of fighting for justice, right?
Exactly. If you are detained for protesting for your basic safety, that you are being threatened by a person who has been released on bail, then what right does the government have to detain you from the streets? That is something that is basic, a question on my right to live, a right to exist. Detaining the survivor from 3 different locations, resorting her to not even allow her initially to enter Jantar Mantar, that is unfortunate and sad. We have to cling to hope. The hope is all we have right now.
आप भी आए हो प्रोटेस्ट?
जी जी जी.
आपने देखा बृजभूषण सिंह ने भी अभी कुलदीप सिंह सेंगर के सपोर्ट में आए हैं. आपको लगता है ये जो पॉलिटिकल हैवी वेट्स है उन पे जो ये इल्ज़ाम जब आता है और ये लोग का बेल मिल जाते हैं इतना इजीली, ये क्वेश्चन करता है हमारे सिस्टम पे. इट मेक्स अस क्वेश्चन द सिस्टम एंड हाउ थिंग्स वर्क.
देखिए जितने भी ज़्यादा लोग हैं, जितने बीजेपी वाले लोग हैं, ये इनकी इंसानियत मर चुकी है. इनको ये नहीं दिखता कि किसी आदमी के साथ अगर अन्याय हुआ है तो आप उसको पार्टी लाइन से हटकर एक अन्याय की नज़रों से उसको देखिए. लेकिन ये लोग, जितने भी सारे लोग हैं, ये सिर्फ पार्टी के लिए ही काम करते हैं और ये चाहते हैं पार्टी हमारी बदनाम ना हो पाए. ये कोई भी आदमी ज़्यादा पार्टी बदनाम ना हो, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं. कोई आदमी अगर अन्याय करे तो उसके साथ खुल के बोलिए. जो आप लोगों को गद्दी पर बैठाया है पब्लिक ने, उसने आपको रक्षा के लिए बैठाया है, ना कि जो जनता के खिलाफ अन्याय हो रहा है उसको मतलब खत्म करने के लिए.
We will get you more voices of young protesters.
बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, तो भाई ये तो एक चेतावनी थी कि भाई आप अपनी बेटियों को बचा दीजिए, क्योंकि भाजपा के नेता मंत्री.
Well, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, this initiative when it was taken up in Uttar Pradesh, it was in that very year 2017 that the Unnao rape case happened, and it sort of made the national headlines as to how, you know, powerful people they get away, and it is the powerless people who are crushed because of lack of proper fair investigation. But the silver lining is of course that the CBI has filed a plea and will be challenging the life imprisonment, will be challenging the suspension of bail order of Kuldeep Singh Sengar. Tomorrow the Supreme Court will be hearing the CBI's plea along with another plea filed by two of these advocates, and hopefully the Delhi High Court's judgment will be reversed as being demanded by the protesters here. They want justice to be delivered because it's been too long, and the cost of fighting for justice, as you saw the visuals of, you know, how drained the Unnao rape survivor who is in her early 20s and her mother is at this point. It is absolutely heartbreaking, and hopefully justice will be delivered at the earliest possible time. Back to you.
But I also wish to understand from you, like one of the protesters rightly said that one has to cling to hope. But, hope is not, of course, what governs the legal system. It's something that should have not happened at all. We also have a reaction, in fact, coming in from Yogita Bhayana, who's a social activist. Let's also listen into what she had to say.
आज ही के दिन मैं रिकॉर्ड में दे रही हूँ, मेरे मतलब पोस्ट में है 13 साल पहले निर्भया के समय इसी दिन हम यहाँ थे. 29 तारीख को उस बच्ची की मृत्यु हुई थी, तो लगातार हम प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे. आज ही के दिन राहुल गांधी आए थे इधर, हमने उन्हें खदेड़ के भगा दिया था. क्या वो राजनीति थी? वो आक्रोश था. आज भी वो आक्रोश है. उस टाइम निर्भया के लिए था, आज सत्ता पलट गई, सब कुछ पलट गया, पर हम आज बेटियों के न्याय मांगते रहते हैं. पार्टी कोई हो, कोई भी आके चली जाए, पर बेटियों पे राजनीति वो करते हैं राजनेता, हम नहीं करते. हम तो आज भी खड़े हैं.
But of course, this is a bite coming in from Yogita Bhayana. She's a social activist. She's talked about how, despite the fact that the governments have changed, the condition of women's safety in the country continues to remain the same, given the fact that she said that it was 10 years ago, it was several while back, that she was in fact even protesting for, of course, the Nirbhaya rape case, and now she's back again protesting for the Unnao rape case. So a lot's not changed, that's clear, and that's moved on. Well, tracking more on this news coming in at this hour, while the Supreme Court will hear a crucial petition tomorrow in the Unnao rape case, with the CBI challenging the suspension of the sentence granted to former MLA Kuldeep Singh Sengar. Well, the CBI has moved the top court against a Delhi High Court order that suspended the Sengar's life imprisonment and granted him bail while his appeal was pending. Well, Sengar was convicted for raping a minor in the year 2017 and is also serving sentences in connected cases linked to the survivor's family. Important to understand that the High Court had ruled that Sengar did not qualify as a public servant under the POSCO Act, a finding now under sharp challenge. The CBI has termed the order legally flawed, arguing that it weakens protections for child survivors. A bench led by Chief Justice of India will take up the matter, with the outcome likely to have significant legal as well as public impact.